Hi my friends, I decided to add a new level to the membership. The name is Professional. By attending this level, you get my technical drawings of all my tutorials that contain modeling of a part. Now there are no less than 260 drawings. These were the 3 levels announced in tutorial number 361. This is the 4th level, Professional. It contains all previous perks plus all 260 technical drawings created so far. Members at this level receive live access to permanently updated versions of the poster plus new assets and drawings. I hope you understand what it means to have hundreds of technical drawings at your disposal. When you want to model parts with Autodesk Inventor, you need to use technical drawings. The new level solves this requirement for you completely. It is simple to become a member. Just press the join button in the title of any tutorial, as you can see here. Not only that, but you can also unsubscribe anytime with the click of a button. How hard can it be? You know, all the assets you have acquired until then will remain yours.